Hey everybody, TNT here. All right, so this is not the video I was expecting to post. I was hoping to get more of the 1985 CR250 barn find completed, but I had something dropped in my lap yesterday that I could not pass up. Somebody sent me a link to another bike for sale that was a fantastic deal. I contacted the people and told them that if they still had it, I would take it right away. They said yes, it was still available, so I bought it. And this morning we're going to pick it up, so let's get on the road and show you what I got. Hey everyone, I'm back. Okay, so I got the bike unloaded. I don't have it up on a stand, so I'm not going to do a full walk around of it. I'm just going to show you it from the side. All right, so here's the bike, and we're going to try and start it up. I was told that the bike runs, and the guy fired it up yesterday, so that'll be fantastic if it fires up. All right, there it is, 1983 YZ490. I've been looking for one of these for a while. They're pretty rare. I would have preferred a newer one, 85 and newer, or maybe 84. I can't be positive about that, with a front disc brake. But other than that, the bike pretty much didn't change, so it's not a big deal, except for when you want to stop. All right, so the bike's in not too bad a shape. The plastic is going to have to be replaced as far as the side panel goes. I'm not sure if this is a stock front fender, and I'm a little concerned about the tank right here. I don't know what this is. I don't know if this is some sort of patch job or if this is an aftermarket tank. I mean, it could very well be an aftermarket tank. I'm gonna have to look it up. Oh, wait a minute. It is an aftermarket tank. It's a Clark. Okay, so I'm probably going to wind up getting a OEM tank for this bike if I can find one. I'm not so concerned about that horse anymore. I had no idea that Clark had horses in the mold of their plastic tanks. I'm going to be getting new side panels for sure. The side panel here, I don't even know if it's from this bike. I see it's got holes drilled in different spots. The side panel on the other side is pretty much in the same shape. But all in all, I mean, this bike's in pretty good condition. It's impressive to still see this rubber part on the Kickstarter. That's typically gone. I'm not positive these are the original fork boots or not, but this one is broken, so it'll be going. They're probably not the original ones. I haven't done any research on the 83 490s at all. So I don't know what's original on this bike and what's not. The back fender's got UFO on it, so it probably is a UFO fender. This is an Acerbis front number plate, so we'll be changing out that. Looks like maybe some Answer handlebars on the bike. Probably go back to an OEM style handlebar for it. When I restore this one, it will be restoring it back to OEM. I will not be using any aftermarket parts on it except for UFO plastic, because I doubt that I can get any original stuff for it. This bike has got a monster back tire on it. I thought the one that I had on the CR250 was big at 140. This is a 150/90 Terraflex. I haven't seen a Terraflex tire in probably 25 years. So for now, this bike is just going to be left the way that it is. I'm not going to be working on this one. I'm just going to park it. I may actually register it and ride it a little bit if it runs. I want to finish up the 85 CR250, get that sold, and then get the 1990 CR125 project completed before I start on any more. I think that this one will probably be next year's project. I don't think that I'll have the time this year, but you never know. Things could go real well with the 1990 CR125, and I could get it done sooner than what I expect. Weather could cooperate for me, like today, which enables me to get a lot more done, being as I have to do everything outside. Okay, so I'm going to set this up on the tripod now, and we're going to see if this bike will fire up. All right, well, what do you guys think? If it fires up, how many kicks is it going to take to fire it up? And I'm wearing running shoes, which I really shouldn't be doing with a big bore two-stroke, but I do not have a boot here, so this is what we're going to be dealing with. Got her in gear. We have to fix that. Must have just hit the Kickstarter or hit the shift lever here. Okay, let's try that again. So we're not going to count that as one of the kicks. All right, here we go. First kick. Let's see what happens. Oh, still in gear. Hit that darn thing again. Okay, there we go. I think I might actually be hitting the shift lever with my foot. Okay, we're not going to count that one. Let's try this again. Okay, first kick. Let's see what happens. Wow, look at that. Was fantastic. The bike fired up in basically the first kick. The other two kicks that I had on it, it was in gear both times, so never really got the engine to move around. The motor sounds great. She's a little boggy on the bottom, but that's probably just carburation and maybe the current fuel that's in it and the mixture that's in it. All right, so I want to thank everybody for coming out and watching my channel and my videos. Please subscribe, leave some comments, share with your friends, and I'll catch you next time.